5 grams in tourism, transforming travel experiences. 5 grams in tourism, transforming travel experiences. Introduction to 5 grams and its impact on tourism. In recent years, the rapid development of technology has transformed almost every aspect of our lives, and the tourism industry is no exception. With the advent of 5 grams, the latest and most advanced wireless communication technology, the travel experience is set to undergo a significant revolution. 5 grams promises to offer unparalleled speed, reliability, and connectivity, paving the way for enhanced tourism experiences that were previously unimaginable. In this article, we explore how 5 grams is transforming travel experiences, from seamless communication to immersive virtual reality. 1. Ultra-fast connectivity. One of the most significant advantages of 5 grams is its blistering speed. With download speeds up to 100 times faster than 4 grams, travelers will experience instant connectivity and access to information. Is means quick online bookings, effortless navigation, and smooth communication with locals and fellow travelers. Waiting in long queues to buy tickets or check in at hotels will become a thing of passed as 5 grams enables travelers to make secure payments and complete necessary tasks within seconds. Additionally, high-speed internet on the go opens up endless possibilities for remote work and digital nomads, who can now explore new destinations while staying connected and productive. 2. Enhanced augmented reality, AR, experiences. 5 grams technology combined with augmented reality, AR, has the potential to take tourism experiences to a whole new level. Imagine exploring famous landmarks through your mobile device or smart glasses. With real-time information and interactive virtual elements superimposed on your view. From historical facts to immersive storytelling, AR can provide tourists with a more engaging and educational experience. This technology can bring ancient ruins to life, simulate virtual tours of museums, and offer personalized recommendations based on individual preferences. With 5 grams low latency and high bandwidth, our applications will run seamlessly, enhancing the way we discover and learn about new places. 3. Immersive virtual reality, VR, experiences. Virtual reality, VR, has long been touted as a game-changer for the tourism industry, allowing travelers to experience destinations without leaving their homes. However, the true potential of VR has been limited by the need for high computing power and reliable internet connections. With 5 grams, the barriers to widespread adoption of VR are starting to crumble. Travelers can now immerse themselves in virtual environments that replicate real destinations, enabling them to explore and interact with places before deciding to visit physically. This technology opens up possibilities for travel agents, hotels, and airlines to showcase their offerings in a more immersive and convincing way, ultimately driving tourism growth. 4. Smart tourism destinations. 5 grams transformative power goes beyond individual experiences and extends to entire tourism destinations. Smart cities and smart tourism destinations are becoming a reality with the integration of 5 grams technology. Real-time data collection and analysis enable cities to optimize traffic management, improve security measures, and enhance the overall visitor experience. For instance, 5 grams powered sensor can provide tourists with instant updates on parking availability, public transportation schedules, and crowd congestion levels. This information allows travelers to make informed decisions and It gate through cities more efficiently. Additionally, smart tourism destinations can personalize recommendations and offers based on individual preferences and behavior, ensuring a tailored and memora. Blade travel experience. 5. Internet of Things, IoT, in hospitality. The Internet of Things, IoT, has already started to revolutionize the hospitality industry, and 5 grams is set to accelerate this transformation. Connected devices and sensors can collect valuable data to optimize operations, enhance guest experiences, and increase energy efficiency. With 5 grams high capacity and low latency, hotels can offer guests seamless connectivity for their devices, enabling personalized control over their room's lighting, temperature, and entertainment. AI-powered wearables can serve as digital concierges, providing real-time information and suggestions based on the guest's location and preferences. This level of connectivity and automation not only improves guest satisfaction but also contributes to sustainable tourism by reducing energy waste. 6. Enhanced safety and security measures. In addition to revolutionizing the travel experience, 5 grams also has the potential to enhance safety and security measures in the tourism industry. With its high bandwidth and low latency, 5 grams enables real-time monitoring and surveillance systems that can detect and respond to potential security threats more effectively. This is particularly beneficial for crowded tourist destinations and events. Maintaining public safety is crucial. Advanced video analytics, facial recognition, and object tracking powered by 5 grams can identify suspicious activities and alert authorities in a matter of seconds. Furthermore, emergency services can receive accurate location information, enabling faster response times and potentially saving lives in critical situations. 7. Seamless multilingual communication. Language barriers are a common challenge faced by travelers when visiting foreign countries. However, with 5 grams advanced communication capabilities, real-time translation services can be readily available and accessible to travelers. Imagine being able to have a conversation with locals in their native language, eliminating miscommunication and fostering more meaningful interactions. This seamless multilingual communication not only enhances the travel experience but also promotes cultural understanding and global connections. 8. Autonomous transportation and smart mobility. As 5 grams continues to evolve, it will play a crucial role in the development of autonomous transportation and smart mobility solutions. Connected vehicles and smart transportation systems powered by 5 grams can improve traffic flow, reduce congestion, and enhance road safety. Travelers can enjoy reliable and efficient transportation services, whether it be self-driving cars or smart public transportation and networks. Additionally, 5 grams enables vehicles to communicate with the surrounding infrastructure, such as traffic lights and parking systems, creating a seamless and interconnected transportation ecosystem. This not only improves the travel experience but also contributes to sustainability by reducing emissions and optimizing energy consumption. 9. Personalized travel recommendations. This level of personalization ensures that travelers receive recommendations that align with their interests and preferences, making their travel planning process more efficient and enjoyable. 10. Economic and social impact. The integration of 5 grams into the tourism industry not only brings about transformative changes in travel experiences but also has wide-ranging economic and social impacts. The enhanced connectivity and Immersive technologies powered by 5 grams attract a new wave of tech-savvy travelers who seek unique and immersive experiences. This influx of tourists stimulates local economies, creating new job opportunities and fostering economic growth. 11. Enhanced remote collaboration and virtual meetings. With the rise of remote work and the increasing need for virtual meetings, 5 grams technology can significantly enhance the capabilities of remote collaboration. With its high-speed connectivity and low latency, 5 grams enables seamless video conferences, allowing teams spread across different locations to collaborate effectively. This technology eliminates the barriers of traditional communication methods and enables real-time interaction, file sharing, and collaborative working. By leveraging 5 grams powered virtual meeting platforms, businesses in the tourism industry can foster collaboration, innovation, and productivity, even when team members are geographically dispersed. 12. Real-time personalized advertising and marketing. By analyzing user preferences, online behavior, and location-based data, companies can tailor their promotional content to match the interests and needs of individual travelers. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction but also increases the efficiency of marketing campaigns, resulting in higher conversion rates and return on investment.